How to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. So first thing, just head over to Snapchat application and on any photo just like this, snap. So once you click on it, you can see there is an option bottom right, just above the bottom right, like this infinity sign. So just tap on it and make sure you click on less seconds, which means it will not enable your friends to save this, and it will be only viewed, it can only be viewed for particular seconds. So let's say I will like to select it for 3 seconds just like this, and just click on set and just click on send to any of your friends just like this. And that is exactly how you can easily send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.